Hello everyone, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. I'm doing Pub Day 2025 practice session and this is the paper solution for 2024. Okay, political science. Already upload I think history, English and Hindi as well on the channel. So if you're preparing for those subjects, so you can also watch that video as well. So if you're preparing for political science, so this is for you guys. Let's get started. Paper solution for 2024. I am Chinu Thakur and we'll start this video. So this is your paper and I hope this paper will help you in your 2025 examination because more or less the question sometimes or maximum times I would say question will be same or you can have an idea what type of question will come in your upcoming examination. Political science. So, question number one is Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November, 28th November, 28th December, and 10th January. So, which is the right answer? The right answer is option A, 26th November. It is very important day. Okay, just 1 second, guys. I have started. Yes, take. Okay. Right. Yes. So 26th November is the right answer because 26th November 1949 is very important. On this date, the Constituent Assembly has made and that is led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, I hope you know about them. Okay, B.R. Ambedkar and Rajendra Prasad also was there as a chairperson. So, on the particular day, they have adopted the Constitution of India, and the day officially designated is the Constitution Day in 2015. So, all these things are important. Okay. The 26th November is also important because before this 2015 we celebrated as a law day as well. Okay. So all this information is important for you guys. So question can be asked from various ways. Okay. So let's move on the question number two. That is basic structure. No, sorry. Basic structure doctrine of the constitution is the product of the following case. Okay. So, doctrine of the Constitution, basic structure of the Constitution. Golaknath versus State of Punjab, Keshavanand Bharti versus State of Kerala, Shah Bano case, or none of the above. So, all these cases are important. It's very important question because even maybe I have uploaded a question that is UPSC polity and they was asking about no I mean AFCAT, yes, Air Force Common Entrance Test, and there they were asking about Article 368. So all these things are connected with this article, very important. It's a basically the right answer is Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. The Supreme Court, which has ruled that while Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution or not. So this was the basically question. So earlier in the Golaknath versus State of Punjab, they given the verdict that fundamental rights cannot be amended. But after that, the next article rule, that is Article 368, in that particular thing, 1973, finally they agreed that Constitution is also a basics. In this constitution we can amend some important things. So Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala is very important because it is a basic structure doctrine of the constitution. Okay, now I hope you understand why this is important and how the Golaknath versus State of Punjab and Keshwananda Bharti case both are connected. Okay, next question. What is the full form of SAFTA or SAFTA? What are the full form of this? Just a second. Yes, South Asian Free Trade Area, South Asian Free Trading Area, South Asian Free Trade Association, of none of the above. It's a South Asian Free Trade Area. Very important. South Asian Free Trade Area, and effect it is started or effect from 2006. Okay, and SAFTA aims is to promote trade and economic cooperation between members country. Okay, between members country. So this is very important. Okay, what are the important country? If they ask or if they give you the country name and ask which is not the country, so that's why I'm giving the name. That is Afghanistan, Bangladesh, ठीक है, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Okay, SAFTA. So this is connected with these countries. Okay. Next question. Yes. Which one of the following is not a third generation human rights? Which one is not following is not acha not. They were asking about the not. Okay. Civil and political rights, cultural rights of minorities, environmental rights, right to share the common heritage of mankind. So which of the following is not a third generation human rights here? They are asking. Let me tell you all the three important generation about human rights. So first generation, which is belongs to, because if they're asking about third generation in 2024, maybe they will ask you about the first generation. So first generation of civil rights are like free speech, fair trial, voting rights. So individual reforms actually. Okay, individual freedoms. Okay, and second generation where they ensure about equality, equality and basic needs. Okay, and third generation they ask about collective rights. Okay, collective rights for globally, collective rights for globally. Okay, yes. So if they're asking which one of the following is not third generation human rights, so the right answer will be what? Civil rights and political rights or cultural rights of minority. What would be the right answer? That is civil and political rights is not connected with third generation because civil and political right to belongs to individual freedom. So that is a first generation human rights. I hope it is clear now. Next question. Who is the author of A Theory of Justice? The page is little tilted. It's not by me actually. I got the paper in this way. So this is who is the author of A Theory of Justice? Karl Marx, Karl Popper, John Rawls, or Adam Smith. So it is an objective kind of answer. So A Theory of Justice was written by John Rawls. Okay, in 1971 that was published. It's a important book based on political philosophy, which is advocated for fairness through principle like original position and will of governance. Okay. Next question. Okay, it's important as well. Which of the following is not correct about money bill? Okay, a money bill is important. So, a money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha on the recommendation of the president. A money bill can only be introduced in the Rajya Sabha on the recommendation of the president. It must be passed in the Lok Sabha by a simple majority of all members present and voting. The definition of the money bill is explained in Article 110. As you know, we have two important house, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and both are very important. But when we talk about money bill, the money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha only. It is not introduced in Rajya Sabha. So this is the wrong sentence basically. So Rajya Sabha cannot reject as well. So they can hold money bill for 14 days only, but they cannot be reject the money bill. It is very important. So the rest of the three statement is correct. The definition of money bill is explained in Article 110 and it needs simple majority of all members present and voting and it is also recommended by the president in the Lok Sabha. All are correct, but a money bill can only be introduced is a wrong statement. Okay. I hope it is clear, everyone. Let's move on with the question number 7. The Cold War ended in the year. Cold War is important here. Cold War ended in the year 1992, 1991, 1989, 1990. So what is the right answer? So basically, it is officially, if I would say the date they're asking, the Cold War ended in the year of 1991, and with the help of Soviet Union dissolutions. Okay, when this dissolution happened between Soviet Union, that is on 26th December 1991. Okay, what happened during the Cold War ended or the end period of that? Actually, that is the fall of Berlin Wall in 1989. That was very important event, and the collapse of communist regime also. So these are the important thing we can say. And the treaty, one treaty was very important between US and USSR. Okay, related with the arms reduction. Okay, that's why the the Cold War ended in the 1991. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Next question is, when was the Security Council founded? 24th October 1945, 26th October 1946, 29th October 1947, or none of the above. This question has also multiple type because they sometimes they will ask about the full form also. Security Council founded is like not only security, we can say that UNSC, that is United Nations Security Council, that is founded about 24th October 1945. Okay, and its first official session was held on 17th Jan 1946, where it held in London, the first session, and very important because why it is created, because of the international peace and security. Okay, and what are the PF is the permanent five member of this council, that is China, France, Russia, and United States, then UK. Okay, so all are five, so they called P5. It is important, don't miss this question. Okay, so UNSC P5, the important five member, and date 17 Jan is important. First session London. So just write down all these important points and let's move on the next question. Next question is, which of the following statement is correct about the Security Council? It has a 6 permanent members. It has 11 non-permanent members. It has 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members, or none of the above. See, I have just told you about this. Now you can answer this easily. It has 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members is the right answer. So let's move on for your homework question. That is 10th question. Who is the founder of Bahujan Samaj Party? Mayawati, Jagjeevan Ram, Kanshi Ram, or none of these. Very simple, very easy. I'm just waiting your answer so that I can give you the part 2 political science important question from 2024. So I'm just waiting for your answer. If you like the video, just click on a like button because I need some motivation as well. And I just want to know whether you are preparing for this examination or not seriously. Okay. And just let me know how many questions were correct when you are trying to correct by yourself. So just give me the answer also. 10 out of like 10, how many questions were right from your side. So I was waiting for that also. So if you like the video, just click on a like button and comment as well for the further questions.